Hi everyone, my name is Sumenda Tania Priska Yulia. My name is 221011060022 and I am a student from Universitas Samratulangi, Manado, Faculty of Mathematics and Science, Information Studies Program. In this video, I will review or read my paper about directed graph. So, directed graph or diagraph is a fundamental concept in mathematics and computer science. A directed graph consists of a set of vertical connects by edges, where each edge has a directed associated with it, indicating a one-way relationship between two vertices. This structure is private in numerous domains, ranging from theoretical study in graph theory to practical application in computer science, biology, and social network analysis. The objective of this work is to present a thorough introduction about the directed graph, covering their feature, definition, and numerous applications. The introduction, a review of the literature or directed graph, an investigation of their application, a discussion of current development and difficulties, and a conclusion summarizing the main ideas of the paper. For the literature review, as an historical background about directed graph, the foundation for the formal definition and analysis of directed and undirected graph was established by Euler. That is, when Leonhard Euler solved the Königsberg Bridge problem in early 70s. He laid the groundwork for the field of graph theory, which is when directed graph first came into being. Mathematicians and computer science like Seeberg have made major contribution to the field evolution over the time. Developing the idea of graph included the directed one. For the fundamental theories, directed graphs are formally defined as a pair. It is GVE. GVE, where V is a set of vertices and E is a set of ordered pairs of vertices, representing the directed edge. Key property and concept include path and cycle. A path is a directed graph in a sequence of vertices, such as there is a directed edge from each vertex to the next in the sequence. A cycle is a path that starts and ends at the same vertex. A strong connectivity. A directed graph is strong connected if there is a directed path from any vertex to every other vertex. Acyclicity. A directed graph with no cycle is called a directed acyclicity graph, or DAG. As an algorithm, numerous algorithms has been developed for processing directed graph. Notable examples included the Jack-Rice algorithm for finding the shortest path between nodes, Bell-Mumford algorithm for computing shortest path in graph with negative weight edges, Tarjan's algorithm for finding strongly connected components, and topological sorting for ordering vertices in DAG. In recent advances, the main objective of recent directed graph research has been to solve challenging real-world problems and increasing algorithm efficiency. Larger graphs can now handle to improvement in computer power, and methods like parallel processing and machine learning techniques are being combined to predict and analyze graph information. For application in computer science, directed graphs are used extremely in various domains. First, as a data structure, graphs are used in data structure like trees and linked lists. Second is database system. Query optimization and indexing often utilize graph-based representation. And third, networking. Internet routing and communication network are modeled using directed graph. In biology, directed graph model relationship and process such as Gene population network, as a node represent genes and directed edges represented the regulatory of influence between them. Protein interaction network, directed edge indicate the directed of interaction between protein. In social network analysis, directed graph used as an influence and spread. Directed graph model the spread of information and influence within a social network. And recommendation system, algorithm recommend connection of content based on directed relationship between users. In transportation and logistics, directed graphs are used in optimization routes and logistics, such as traffic flow management, that is, road network are modeled to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. And supply chain optimization, that is, directed graph help in planning and managing the flow of goods. In machine learning and AI, directed graphs are used as an integral in various machine learning and AI applications, such as Bayesian network, that is used for probabilistic reasoning and inference, and neural networks, that is modeled as directed graph where nodes represent neurons and edges represent cinematic weights. For the challenge, despite their wide applicability, directed graph pose several challenges, such as scalability. Handling large graph efficiency remains a significant challenge. As the size of data increases, the complexity of algorithms and their performance can degrade, necessitating the development for more scaleless solutions. Dynamic changes. Many real-world graphs are dynamic, requiring algorithms that can adapt to changes over the time. This includes need for real-time updates and modification without significant computation overhead. Data privacy and security. In social network and other sensitive applications, maintaining data privacy while processing directed graph is critical. Ensuring that algorithm can work efficiently while preserving user privacy and data security is a growing concern. Visualizing and interpretation. As directed graphs become more complex, visualizing and interpreting them become more difficult. Effective tools and techniques for representing large and complex graphs in a comprehensive manner are essential for various applications. Heterogeneity. Real-world systems often involve heterogeneous data where nodes and edges can represent different types of entity and relationship. Managing and integrating this heterogeneity into a unified directed graph and directed graph framework is challenging. Algorithm efficiency. Many classical algorithms need to be refined or replaced to handle the increased complexity and size of modern datasets. These include improving the time complexity and ensuring that algorithms can spread efficiently on large sparse or highly connected graph. For future direction, future research and directed graph is likely to focus on enchanted algorithms, such as developing more efficient algorithms to handle large and more complex graphs. These include leveraging parallel processing, distributed computing, and advanced data structure to improve performance. Integration with AI and machine learning. Leveraging AI to better analyze and predict graph behavior. This includes the use of machine learning model to enhance graph algorithm and predict properties such as node importance or edges likelihood. Real-time graph processing. Developing technique for real-time graph processing to handle dynamic changes in graph structure as they occur, which is crucial for application in networking, finance, and social media. Privacy preventing graph algorithm. Creating algorithm that can prove graph while preventing privacy, which is particularly important in social networking and healthcare application. Cross-disciplinary application. Expanding the use of directed graph in new fields such as healthcare and economics. This involves modeling complex systems like pressure treatment networks or economic trade relation. Improve visualization tools. Developing better tools for the visualization of large and complex directed graphs to aid in the understanding and interpretation of data. Interdisciplinary research. Promoting an interdisciplinary research to apply directed graph theory to new and emerging fields, fostering collaboration between computer science, biologists, sociologists, and other experts. In conclusion, directed graphs are a cornerstone of modern computation and theoretical disciplines, offering a robust framework for modeling a wide array of relational data. Their importance cannot be overstated, given their diverse application ranging from data structure in computer science to the complex interaction within biological systems and social networks. This paper has outlined the foundational theories and algorithms that define directed graph, highlighted their historical development, and discussed their practical application in various fields. The historical context provided a basis for understanding the evolution of graph theory, showing how initial problems like Euler-Kongsberg bridge problem laid the groundwork for more complex investigation. The development of key properties such as path, cycles, strong connectivity, and acyclicity form the theoretical backbone that support the myriad application of directed graph. Additionally, fundamental algorithms like the Jacques and Bellman for shortest path, Targent for strongly connected component, and topological sorting for ordering velocities in DAG have been pivotal and advanced the utility of directed graph. In the realm of computer science, directed graphs are indispensable for structuring data, optimizing database, and managing networks. Their role in biology is equally significant, modeling gene regulation and protein interaction to enhance our understanding of genetic and cellular process. Social network analysis benefit from directed graph through the modeling of influence and information spread, while recommendation system leverage this structure to personalize user experience. Transportation and logistics also see significant improvement through the application of directed graph, optimizing traffic flow and supply chains. In machine learning and AI, directed graphs are critical for construction, Bayesian network, and neural network, thereby advancing capability in probabilistic reasoning and complex definition-making process. Despite their wide applicability, directed graphs pose several challenges. Scalability remains a primary concern, as large database sets can lead to computational inefficiency. Dynamic changes in real-world graph require adaptive algorithms capable of real-time updates. Ensuring data privacy and security is crucial, particularly in sensitive applications like social network and healthcare. Effective visualization and interpretation of complex graphs are necessary for comprehensible data representation. Furthermore, handling the heterogeneity of real-world data within a unified graph framework and improvising the efficiency of classic algorithms are ongoing challenges. Looking ahead, future research directed are promising. Enchanting algorithm efficiency to manage larger and more complex graphs will be crucial. Integration with AI and machine learning offer opportunity for improvement graph analysis and predictive capability. Real-time graph processing technique will address the need for immediate updates in dynamic environment. Privacy preventing algorithm will become increasingly important in safeguarding user data. Expanding the use of directed graph in interdisciplinary field like healthcare and economics, can lead to novel insight and solution. Improved visualization tool will aid in the understanding and communication of complex graph structure, and fostering interdisciplinary research will further enhance the utility of directed graphs. So, in summary, directed graphs are an essential and fertile tool that continues to evolve and expand in scope. Their theoretical foundation and practical application provide invaluable insight and solution across numerous domains. Addressing the challenges and exploring future direction will further solidify the role of directed graph in advancing our understanding and the management of complex systems. As computational power increases and new techniques are developed, the potential of directed graph will only grow, driving innovation and discovery in both established and emerging fields. The ongoing research and development effort will ensure that directed graph remains at the forefront of scientific and theological process, enabling more efficient, secure, and insightful analysis for relational data. That's all from me. Thank you.